Translating functions, we're spending a second day on this. Alright, there's a graph. It has a parent function and then it has another graph. Can you tell what has happened to this? First of all, which is the parent graph? The one that is in orange. Y equals x. What is the equation of this black line? The equation is y equals x plus 4 because from the parent function it has gone up 4 units. So you put plus 4. Alright, which one is the parent function, orange or black? Orange. And what is the equation for the parent function? Y equals x. What is the equation for the new function? Y equals x minus 1. Parent function, same thing, y equals x. What would be the equation of the new line? Y equals x minus 1. That is right because it's been moved down 1. Parent function, same thing again, y equals x. What is the equation of the new function? Y equals x plus 7, right. Parent function, y equals x. And then what is the equation of the new line? Y equals x minus 3, right, because it's been moved down 3. And this one is still going to be y equals x. And what is the equation of the new one? Alright, that's right. It is going to be y equals x minus 4.5. Here's 2, so that means this is 3. 4, this would be 5, so that's 4.5. What is the equation of the parent function, which is in orange? Y equals x squared. And what has happened to go from here down to here? It's moved down how many? It's gone down 4. If I want to move this down 4, do I subtract 4 on the inside? Do I subtract 4 on the outside? On the inside? Outside. Y equals x squared minus 4. Remember the directions were bring up the equation. If you only bring up x squared minus 4, you have brought me an expression. I need an equation. Y equals. Parent function for this one is y equals x squared. This one has been moved up 6, so that means you're going to have to do y equals x squared plus 6. The parent function for this one is y equals x squared. This one has been moved 2 places to the left. If you move it 2 places to the left, you should get y equals the quantity squared of x plus 2. For this one, your parent function is y equals x squared. This one has been moved 3 places to the right. So y equals the quantity squared of x minus 3. Parent function is y equals x squared. This one has gone back 5. And down how many? 5. Yes, it's gone down 5. So your equation should be y equals the quantity squared of x, and then take care of this movement back 5 by putting plus 5. Then on the outside we'll put minus 5. Parent function is y equals x squared. This one has been moved over to the right 4 places, and then it goes up 3, over 4, and then up 3. So the equation for that one, I have to find a place to fit it in here. We'll do it down here. Y equals the quantity squared of x minus 4. That takes it 4 to the right, and then on the outside we will have plus 3. Parent function should be y equals the square root of x. And then it has been moved up 4 spaces. So this one should be y equals the square root of x plus 4 on the outside. The parent function is y equals the square root of x. This one has been moved down 6 places. So it should be y equals the square root of x and then minus 6 on the outside. Parent function is y equals the square root of x, but this one here has been moved over 1 and then up 5. Over 1 and then up 5. So y equals the square root of x minus 1 to move it to the right, and then on the outside we're going to have plus 5. The parent function is y equals x squared. This one has gone down a total of 8, down 8, and it's moved over 3 to the left. So we're going back 3 and then down 8. So this one should be y equals the square root of x plus 3 to move it to the left 3, and then on the outside minus 8. The parent function for this should be y equals the cube root of x. It has been moved up 4 places, so it should be y equals the cube root of x plus 4 on the outside. Parent function, y equals the cube root of x. This one has been moved down 2, so it should be y equals the cube root of x and minus 2 on the outside. Parent function is y equals the cube root of x. This one has been moved back 2 places, so it should be y equals the cube root of x plus 2 underneath the sign. The parent function on this is going to be y equals the cube root of x here. This one, identify where it's at to begin with, and notice that this mark is directly in the middle. It is not this one or this one. It is that one. That one has been moved over 4, and then it has gone up 5. To the right 4 and then up 5. So y equals the cube root of x minus 4 on the inside, and on the outside you'll have plus 5. Parent function is y equals the cube root of x. Here is the point we have to focus on. That is down 6, and then it is to the left 2. So y equals the cube root of x plus 2 to move it to the left 2, and on the outside we will have minus 6. The parent function here is y equals x to the third. So the new function here would be y equals x to the third, and it's been moved up 3. The parent function is y equals x cubed, and the new function is y equals the quantity cubed of x plus 2. So you can move it 2 places to the right. Your homework for this is all on one page on the website. It'll be there by 8th period today. And you'll have a graph like these in which you have to write the equation of the graph. You'll have a total of 10 of them. Each one is from something that we've done. Number your paper 1 to 10 and simply write the equation.